Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 95 of Building the Ecto-1. On this issue, we're finishing a door and starting another door. This is the front door. We've got the door that goes just behind it to do soon. First of all, we've got to finish this one off. We've got a couple of little things to do with it. We've got the interior detail panels to pop in place. There's 4 of those. Of different lengths. We've got 2 long ones, 2 short ones. Longer than that one, that's shorter than that one, that's probably like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to go on there. So let's see about getting these lined up. The very short one is going to go up there. Windscreen washer, windscreen wiper, not wiper. The window lowering device out of the way. Get that the right way round, and that should just pop into a couple of holes in there. Like that, but not. Why's that not lined up? There we go. So that just locates in place like that. And then that one will go over this side. They will only go one way round, so if it's not looking like it's lining up properly, you've probably got them the wrong way round. That one in there. I need to push that down a little bit more securely. This one goes over this side. That way round, yeah. Out the way of that. There we go. And then that one finally in that place. Like that. Better. I shall have a closer look and make sure these are pushed in securely in all the right places, like that one isn't. But that's that. It does then say to fix this in place onto the chassis, but I'm not going to do that quite yet. The reason being because that means getting the whole frame out of storage to do just that, whereas I'm going to have to do it to put this door in place in the next pack, which I've already got. I'm a bit behind on my building of these, so I'm a little bit behind. So the only other thing I've got to do on this door before we attach it is fit the little door lock piece, which just goes into there. It is it has a flat side. Obviously you need to get the right way round. I can't see to get quite yet, so I shall put that in place when I can see what I'm doing. That's that. Then it says to install the door. As I say, I'm not doing that quite yet. What I am going to do is move on to this bit. Oh, there's one other thing. That's the little catch thing that fixes onto the inside of the frame when you fix that door in place with one of those screws. So again, I'll do that when I get the frame out to do the rest of it. And they're the screws that will hold it in place onto the frame. The new door we get to start off with. We've got the hinge and the handle to fix. The handle just fixes in place with one of these screws. That one aside for later. Grab out a screwdriver for that. So yeah, the handle obviously goes exactly the same as we've done on all of these other ones. Handle goes in there. Pin locates in there. Screw goes in the other side to hold that together. Get that through the correct hole. There we go, that's that. Then we get to fit the hinge on here, exactly the same again as we did before. Let me just double check my instructions to make sure I'm getting pieces the right way around. Yeah, that bit goes on there. That goes on there. Again, I can never remember which way around that has to go. Flat side is next to the body, so it's that way round. On there, that will go over the top of it like that. 2 washers will go over each post of that. One over there, one over there, and then these 2 screws will hold that together. They can get kept safe for later. So there we have one screw there and one screw down there. So finish one door, started on the next. And that's that. Next time we're continuing with this door. Obviously we've got the whole window frame to fit, window to put in and things like that. So that's that. I shall clear this out of the way. We'll have a look through the magazine because I think this is the shortest build of the episode. So I'll see you soon for looking at that. So here we have it. This is a volume 26 build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1. We'll look through the magazine because we've already done the building bit. That's what we had this time. Next time we've got the interior of that door to put together. Then the window frame, and then the window and mechanism to finish off with on this pack. So this bit you've already seen. You know what we're doing there. This bit you'll be seeing next episode, and then the episode after, and the one after that, where we're putting the gears on, getting that real good to go. So let's have a look through this, and we've got Slavitsa. Yeah. Can't even remember the name of the Gozer. There we go. Gozer the Barbarian. Gozer the Gozerian. Barbarian. The zombie taxi driver. Did we not already look at that? I feel like we've already looked at the zombie taxi driver, but possibly not. That was at the end of Ghostbusters 1, I believe. The No Ghost logo. Yeah, and the second one, obviously, from the second film. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Henry Mayo, concept artist. Very conceptual. It always astounds me with films and TV shows and things, the amount of behind the scenes stuff, concept stuff and things that you never see. But obviously takes up a lot of effort. Nice to see some bits and how they develop and how things come through. Ecto 101, number 26, Joe Namath. Don't know who he is, but feel free to read all of that if you like. Next time, I do actually have the next pack where we've got the rear door, I believe, and the final quarter windows. So it feels like we're getting close to finishing. I know we're not really that close to finishing because there's a whole roof rack thing to do. But yeah, so that's that. Another issue done. Join me for the next part of the build next time. And I shall see you for that very soon. So, bye-bye for now.